Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Friends, in today's video I am going to show you how to make your own body lotion or moisturizer at home with simple ingredients. In winters our skin tends to dry. After applying this body lotion or moisturizer, your skin feels really very soft and smooth like a baby's skin. You can apply this for your face and body as well, and it works very effectively. Now let us check what are the ingredients we need to make this body lotion. We need aloe vera gel, rose water, olive oil and glycerin. Now let us move on to the process. Take any empty bottle. I am taking this kind of bottle, but you can use any kind of bottle which is having with you. And now I am going to fill half of this bottle with rose water. Next I am going to fill the remaining portion of this bottle with aloe vera gel. Here I am using Patanjali aloe vera gel and filling the remaining portion, but you can also use either cucumber gel or any other gel which is available with you. Next I am going to add glycerin, nearly 2 tablespoons of glycerin. And finally add few drops of olive oil. Instead of olive oil you can also add sweet almond oil. It's your choice. And once you have added all the ingredients, then close the cap and shake it really well before using it, so that all the ingredients which we have added really mixes well. So you can use this for your whole face and body. And shelf life of this is about 1 or 2 months at room temperature. So hope this video may be helpful for you guys, and if you like my channel, please subscribe to my channel, hit on the like button and share with your friends and family. And thank you so much guys for all your support, and hope you will continue your support like this.